Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to email receipts to Expensify. So I have this receipt I just received, and all you actually need to do is forward this receipt. So you can click here on forward, or you can click here as well on these three dots and then click on forward. And when you're forwarding, make sure the attachment is also being forwarded that was in the body of the email. So whether it's a PDF of the receipt or PNG, whatever it is, make sure it's also being attached. And then I want you to email it to this email right here, receipts@expensify.com, with the same email address that you have registered, okay, with Expensify. So I'm emailing this with the same account, as you can see. And all you need to do is click here on send. Literally, that is all you need to do. Come here, make sure it is sent, and there we go. And once you come back to Expensify, you'll see right here, it even included the amount, so it scanned it for us. And now you can just go ahead and add the category right here. And there you go. That is how you email receipts to Expensify.